Boost your confidence in your machine knitting by knitting this simple, easy to knit pullover. Because the knitting is simple and easy, you can use it as a blank canvas for your creativity. Use any knitting machine, any yarn, substitute any stitch pattern you like. I'm Sue, the voice and the hands behind the Knit It Now videos. Watch as I knit my prickly pear pullover. I'm sure you could knit a more exciting version of this sweater, but to keep things simple, I've knit a plain stockinette version in one color and followed the pattern exactly. The sweater's knit in just 5 pieces. Knit the back. It's just a rectangle, but follow the pattern, place the markers, and scrap off as instructed. Knit the front. The neckline shaping isn't hard, but plan to knit your front on a day when you're fresh and there aren't any distractions. Join one shoulder. Knit a plain rolled neckband. Remember, we're keeping this simple. Then join the other shoulder. As I mentioned before, you can use this dynamic pattern with any machine, any yarn, and any stitch pattern. Picture it being knit in tuck or slip or fair isle. This is a great opportunity for you to practice those techniques. Knit the sleeves from the top down. Try to knit both sleeves in one knitting session. Again, choose a day with no distractions so both sleeves end up the same length. Block your sweater, find a sunny spot, sew up the seams and hide the ends. And then take a photo and share your success. Thanks for watching. Please come and see us at knititnow.com. Until next time, happy knitting!